20 August 2023, the spacefaring nation. Russia failed its mission, Luna 25. While having series of success of being first in various space mission, from Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite to orbit the Earth in 1957, to Phobos 2, the first spacecraft to land on the surface of Phobos, a moon of Mars, in 1996, and many more. Additionally, how the next frontier. India got success in Chandrayaan 3. Hi friends, in this video we will be discussing how Chandrayaan 3 got success and why Luna 25 failed. Let's do a detailed case study. As you know, landing on the moon is not a child's play. It requires a lot of effort to overcome its technical hurdles. A little mistake and boom! One of the big culprits in crash landing is gravity, because the moon's gravity is 1/6 that of Earth's, which means any object on the moon weighs much less than it does on Earth. This makes it difficult to control a spacecraft as it approaches the moon. Moreover, there is no air resistance to slow down a spacecraft as it enters the moon's gravity. Additionally, moon dust and craters, the hollow surface of the moon, adds more difficulty to a safe landing. The moon's temperature can vary greatly, from 127 degrees Celsius on the day side to minus 183 degrees Celsius, the freezing point of dry ice, on the night side. This variation can stress spacecraft, systems, and lead to mission failure if necessary instruments to protect them from extreme temperatures are not present. These are few major technical challenges for spacecraft in moon landing. The success of India's Chandrayaan 3 mission and the failure of Russia's Luna 25 are two major events in the global space race, and the moon landing that Russia will never forget. We don't know what went wrong with Luna 25 and why it didn't make it to the south pole of the moon. However, there are few technological differences between the two spacecraft. Let's discuss them first. Chandrayaan 3 uses a medium lift rocket, while Luna 25 uses a heavier rocket. Chandrayaan 3 weighs around 3,921 kilograms, while Luna 25 weighs much less, around 1,750 kilograms. Chandrayaan 3 employs both a lander and a rover, while Luna 25 uses only the lander. Chandrayaan 3 takes 40 days to reach the moon, while Luna 25 takes 10 days. The reason for this major difference is that the ISRO program has a budget of just $75 million. This is why they have to use the ingenious method of lowering costs by utilizing the gravitational pull of the moon and the Earth to get to their destination. This is because their rockets are less powerful, which requires a more indirect route to the moon. Chandrayaan 2 was India's first attempt to land on the moon, but it failed when the lander crashed into the lunar surface. This was a major setback for the Chandrayaan program, but it did not deter the team from continuing to work on Chandrayaan 3, and it was a complex mission involving a number of different spacecrafts and instruments. This complexity made the mission challenging to develop and execute. The team had been working on Chandrayaan 3 for years, and this was their final chance to make it happen. They were all exhausted, but they were also determined to succeed. The launch of Chandrayaan 3 was a success, and the spacecraft made its journey to the moon without incident. The landing on the moon was also a success. Chandrayaan 3 made a number of scientific and technological achievements. The rover was able to explore the lunar surface and collect data about the moon's geology and composition. And the other instruments on the spacecraft also collected data about the moon's atmosphere and environment. Now let's move towards the failure of Luna 25. The mission life of Chandrayaan is expected to be a lunar day, which is equals to 14 Earth days, and it is now successfully completed. While the expected mission life for Luna 25 was 1 year, because the Russian Luna 25 mission was designed to endure harsh freezing temperatures, as it planned to use a radioisotope device, powered by plutonium, to generate heat during lunar nights. It was intended to last for 1 year on the moon. Unfortunately, it crashed, providing a major lesson to learn from. It is crucial to thoroughly test spacecraft before launch and have a backup plan in case of failure. Luna 25 was Russia's first moon mission. In 47 years, Russia has not attempted a moon mission since Luna 24 in 1976. This makes Luna a more significant mission for Russia. both technologically and geopolitically. Its failure was a huge setback, but it will not stop Russia from launching its future missions. Instead, it serves as motivation to improve and succeed next time. Now, coming towards why the spacefaring nation Russia failed its mission, Luna 25. It is not yet clear what caused the failure, but it is likely due to Russia's Luna 25 had some technical issues during pre-orbital stage. The thrusters struggled to calculate and counteract the moon's gravitational pull, resulting in an uncontrolled spinning motion. When it was time for the thrusters to initiate the braking process in outer space, they were unable to sufficiently decelerate the lander. As a consequence, the lander entered the moon's orbit without activating the required thrusters. It is also possible that it might have pushed the thrusters a little bit too much, which would have also caused the lander to spin uncontrollably and ultimately experience a hard crash landing, bringing an abrupt end to its mission. The Luna program was a major achievement for the Soviet space program, and it helped to pave the way for future lunar exploration missions. The failure of Luna 25 was a setback, but it also provided valuable lessons that can be learned from. The Luna Globe program will continue, and the lessons learned from the failure of Luna 25 will be applied to future missions. The success of Chandrayaan 3 will put India on the map as a major spacefaring nation, and these events will have a significant impact on the future of space exploration, and they will also have a ripple effect on the relations between India and Russia. The ripple effect is a reminder that we are all interconnected and that our actions can have a far-reaching impact on the world around us. It is important to be aware of the ripple effect and to consider the potential consequences of our actions. Let's understand it with example. If there is a small change in the Earth's climate, it can lead to a series of effects, such as more extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and changes in plant and animal life. Similarly, a new technology can create new jobs and industries while also eliminating workers in other sectors. Moving towards the impacts of lunar exploration, the success of Chandrayaan mission could inspire other countries to pursue their own lunar exploration programs. The failure of Luna 25 could lead to Russia reconsidering its lunar exploration plans. The growing competition between Russia and China in the space race could lead to increased tensions between these two countries. The call for increased international cooperation could lead to the formation of new international space agencies or partnerships. The future of lunar exploration is uncertain, but the success of Chandrayaan 3 and the failure of Luna 25 are both signs that progress is being made. As more countries become involved in lunar exploration, we can expect to see even more amazing achievements in future.